morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Tuesday morning. Merry Christmas Eve. Last night, I have to say the response from what I prepared last night is, wow, it's really cool. Really cool. I prepared creamy Cajun steak Alfredo. It was very good. I did use my Cajun blend. I did scale it back just a little bit for the one-person meal. I did have some leftovers, which would be cool. It's more of a snack. I'm trying to not overeat during these days. Oh, by the way, here in Sutter County, California, it is raining. It's a little chilly. According to Mr. Bob Harlan's weather report this morning, this is supposed to continue. We get a break, I think, around Friday or Thursday. But yeah, we got rain in the forecast for several days. Not complaining. Nope. My backyard looks like a swamp. But hey, whatever. I'm not really cooking tonight, like I've indicated. I'm doing a Red Baron pizza because I'm kind of saving my little energies for tomorrow's Christmas meal. But today, I actually got a last-minute order for my Garam Masala. So I'll be putting that together today. Let's take a look. All right, there's the Red Baron pizza. Classic crust, pepperoni. I had the choice between the pepperoni or a 4-cheese. I chose the pepperoni. There's the hardware. It's that simple. The Garam Masala. I've already pulled all the herbs and spices. I think actually all of them are spices. No herbs in here. We've got black cardamom. We have cumin seed. We have whole black pepper. Whole coriander, fennel seed, ground ginger, black cumin seed. That's whole cloves. I need to redo that label. Green cardamom, which is quite popular at the LA market where I get a lot of my spices. Whole white peppercorn, Indonesian cinnamon, ground nutmeg, and bay leaf powder. So, yeah, that's the combination. And of course, I got some of the hardware out already, because I weigh everything in my handy dandy coffee/spice grinder. This little guy was worth whatever I spent on it. This is a jar funnel for spices, for spice jars. This is a lifesaver. Yeah. So, and I saved some database. I said, well, not database. It's more of a spreadsheet. It is a spreadsheet. Some spreadsheet work for today. I'm trying to keep. In my old age, I'm not really old, but I'm old. I forget things I have in my pantry. So I wasn't going to do this, but because I'm on my own. I need to save some money. And so I'm actually starting to really dig into my pantry and for things. So I'll be working on that today on top of everything else. Since I'm not doing any real prep work with the pizza, come on, turn the oven on, put the pizza in, take the pizza out of the oven or out of the box, out of the plastic, and stick it in the oven. Yeah, not hard. Not hard at all. So yeah, on this Christmas Eve day and Christmas Eve, have a great day. And if you're having your family dinners, eat great food and have fun cooking.